I recently read a petition titled, "Do you support the development and use of genetically modified bacteria in bioremediation?" The people backing this petition expressed their growing concern with the impact of toxic pollutants caused by human activity on our environment. They know the impact on the environment of many of the pollutants can be reduced, and they even hope to completely eliminate the damage with more effective means of cleanup. Many of the common means of remediation have significant side effects. Some are even worse than the problem of being cleaned up. Scientists have found that naturally occurring bacteria can be a valuable tool in remediation of substances like PCBs, heavy metals, pesticides, and even oil spills. They call this process bioremediation. They've noted that improving the effectiveness of this approach would make it a more clear choice while limiting the potential for negative side effects. Improving the effectiveness of bioremediation would require the use of a relatively new process called genetic modification. The DNA of the natural bacteria would be modified using this technology to replace portions of the natural genes with alternate genes that improve some desirable traits and reduce or eliminate some traits that limit the effectiveness of the bacteria on the pollutant. This is a promising approach which has been shown to be more effective at cleaning up the toxic pollutants like PCBs, arsenic, and even mercury in a lab. One area of concern is the environmental impact of the modified bacteria at the remediation sites. It's not presently clear whether the newly modified bacteria would somehow create new hazards or challenges for the life forms that inhabit the pollutant sites. Scientists are also uncertain what financial and effectiveness impact would be realized by expanding the scale of treatment to the real world.